Staff members are always available to discuss customers' requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. And our factory also passed ISO 9001 Quality Management Certificate. In addition, we have international advanced production lines of temperature humidity sensors and sintered porous metal material. We offer one-stop services, from the design of temperature and humidity IoT solutions to the production of module, probe, transmitter, and data logger. We pay close attention to the development trend of temperature and humidity sensor worldwide and maintain long-term cooperative relations with the Netherlands, Finland, Germany, the United States, and other countries. HENKKO adheres to the business philosophy customer first and focuses on providing customers with excellent products and helping them maintain a leading competitive advantage. We look forward to forming a stable and extensive strategic partnership with friends from all walks of life.